Hailstorms hit Paris. Temperatures plummet after the early heat wave that hit France this week. The country is facing a drop in temperatures and thunderstorms this weekend. The good weather was short-lived. After 5 days marked by an extraordinary heat wave that brought sunshine across France, clouds invaded the skies this Saturday afternoon, especially in the north of the country. A brief but impressive storm hit Paris, dropping hail up to 4 centimeters in diameter on the capital, surprising pedestrians and motorists. On social media, videos posted by residents of the capital showed motorists quickly parking their vehicles on the sidewalks for fear of being blinded by the storm. The streets covered in these balls of ice gave Paris a momentary appeal away from the snowed capital. The mercury dropped sharply, with temperatures dropping from 27 to 15 degrees C in a matter of minutes, according to the Weather Channel. Gusts of almost 90 kilometers/h were recorded in the Montserrat Park. The heavy rain has been announced by La Météo, which predicts thunderstorms north of the Loire, then in the Midi-Pyrenees and Auvergne in the evening. Hail is also expected, especially in Champagne-Ardenne and the southwest. Thunderstorms are also expected on Sunday south of the Loire, affecting Occitanie, the Rhone Valley, the Alps, and the northeast of the country. Hail and gusts of winds, sometimes exceeding 90 kilometers/h, are also expected in these areas. Temperatures are expected to drop further with the arrival of a colder air mass from the north. The drop in temperatures will spread across the country at the beginning of next week. Next week is expected to be mild in France, with temperatures often below seasonal, normal, and autumnal tones. Some morning frosts are possible in the center of the country and even in the northeast. From one extreme to another, while temperatures were around 25 degrees Celsius at the beginning of this Saturday, May 3, in Paris, the capital was surprised this afternoon by a meteorological phenomenon typical of December. Around 4 p.m., an impressive thunderstorm appeared in the Parisian sky. It was followed by large hail. Some images on social media show large hailstones, which covered streets and balconies in just a few minutes. While others were amused by the situation, such as this internet user who assumed that Parisians would take advantage of the situation to put their bottles of white wine in the fridge between the hailstones. However, the phenomenon has caused some disruptions. Several streets were flooded, making traffic difficult. Metro Line 2 was also affected and did not serve the Victor Hugo station. Atelier de Lumières, a museum located in the 11th arrondissement, has been evacuated. This week has been marked by a period of heat and sunshine in most parts of the country, with temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius in Paris on Friday, May 2. Meteo France has predicted a drastic drop in temperatures since Sunday, with 16 degrees Celsius in Paris, 14 degrees Celsius in Cannes, and 13 degrees Celsius in Lille. From top to bottom, the skies will change from dark blue to stormy gray in the hours after May 1, which broke the thermometer record. The beautiful sunshine continues in the northeastern half of the country, and the warmth remains throughout the season, except along the English Channel where low clouds continue to be present. On the other hand, in the southwestern half, clouds are slowly starting to form, notes Meteo France for its afternoon forecast for this Friday, May 2.